Hello everyone, and welcome back to SPEAKORA English Flow, where your English starts to flow. I'm Lily.
Hello, Lily. Hello, everyone. I'm Jolly.
How's your week been, Jolly?
Honestly, a little chaotic. Something happened yesterday that I still can't believe.
Ooh, now I'm curious. What happened?
So, I was at the grocery store, right? And I completely forgot why I even went there.
Classic. Did you at least buy something useful?
I bought 3 bags of rice. I don't even cook rice that often.
That's such a random purchase. Okay, everyone, quick guess. What do you think today's word is about based on Jolly's little grocery story?
Ooh, good question. Maybe it's about buy or shop.
Close guesses, but not quite. Here's a hint. It's about movement and decisions and even things going wrong sometimes, all at once.
Movement and things going wrong, that sounds exactly like my week.
Exactly. Today's word is go.
Go? Just 2 letters and it does all of that?
All of that and more. Today, you're going to learn 13 different uses of go, and by the end, you'll notice it everywhere in everyday English.
13 uses from one tiny word? I'm ready.
Before we start, one quick tip for everyone watching. Throughout this episode, whenever we introduce a new phrase, pause the video for a second and repeat it out loud with us. That's what really locks it into your memory.
Just once you'll tell them that, and then we jump right in?
Exactly, so keep that in mind the whole way through. Now, a small request first. If you're enjoying the show, please like this video, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's learning English too. It really helps us keep making these episodes. Thank you.
Okay, let's start. What's number 1?
Number 1, go for a walk.
Go for a walk. What does that mean?
It means to walk somewhere for exercise or relaxation, usually outside.
Oh, like, I go for a walk every evening.
Exactly. I go for a walk every evening.
I go for a walk every evening. That felt natural.
See? Number 2, go shopping.
Go shopping. What does that mean?
It means to go somewhere specifically to buy things.
Oh, like my rice adventure yesterday.
Exactly like your rice adventure. She goes shopping on weekends.
She goes shopping on weekends. Simple enough.
Number 3, go on vacation.
Go on vacation? What does that mean?
It means to travel somewhere for rest or leisure, away from your normal routine.
Oh, like, we're going on vacation next month.
Exactly. We're going on vacation next month.
We're going on vacation next month. Wait, are we? Nobody told me.
It's just an example sentence, Jolly.
Oh, disappointing, but understandable.
Number 4, go to bed.
Go to bed. What does that mean?
It simply means to go to sleep, usually at night.
Oh, like, I go to bed around 11.
Exactly. I go to bed around 11.
I go to bed around 11. Except last night, obviously, because of the rice incident.
We're never letting that go, are we?
Nope, it's officially my origin story now.
4 down, 9 to go. Let's take a short pause here, everyone, and come right back for more.
See you in a second.
Welcome back. Before the break, we covered go for a walk, go shopping, go on vacation, and go to bed. 4 down, Jolly?
4 down, and I still haven't recovered from the rice incident.
We noticed. Let's keep going. Number 5, go bad.
Go bad? What does that mean?
It means food or drink has spoiled and is no longer safe or good to eat.
Oh, like the milk in my fridge went bad.
Exactly. The milk in my fridge went bad.
The milk in my fridge went bad. Honestly, that happens to me weekly.
Maybe check your fridge more often, Jolly.
Noted. Number 6.
Number 6, go wrong.
Go wrong? What does that mean?
It means something didn't happen the way you planned or expected.
Oh, like everything went wrong on my first day at work.
Exactly. Everything went wrong on my first day at work.
Everything went wrong on my first day at work. That sentence feels a little too personal.
We'll leave that story for another episode.
Please no.
Number 7, go ahead.
Go ahead? What does that mean?
It means to give someone permission to start or continue doing something.
Oh, like when someone says, you can go ahead and start without me.
Exactly. You can go ahead and start without me.
You can go ahead and start without me. That's such a polite little phrase.
It really is. Very useful in daily conversations. Number 8, go through.
Go through, what does that mean?
It has a few meanings, but one common one is to experience something difficult.
Oh, like she went through a really tough year.
Exactly. She went through a really tough year.
She went through a really tough year. That's a heavier one than the others.
It is, but it's a phrase you'll hear often in real conversations, especially when people talk about personal struggles.
Makes sense. 8 down, 5 to go.
You're keeping up really well.
I think it's because your examples are so specific, like the rice thing.
We're never escaping the rice, are we?
Never.
Number 9, go over.
Go over? What does that mean?
It means to review something carefully.
Oh, like let's go over the notes before the exam.
Exactly. Let's go over the notes before the exam.
Let's go over the notes before the exam. That's a phrase every student needs.
Absolutely. Number 10, go off.
Go off? What does that mean?
It usually means an alarm or alert suddenly makes noise.
Oh, like my alarm went off at 6 this morning.
Exactly. My alarm went off at 6 this morning.
My alarm went off at 6 this morning and I still almost missed it.
That sounds about right for you.
Rude but fair. 10 down, 3 to go.
We're almost there. Let's take a quick pause here, everyone, and come right back for the final stretch.
See you in a moment.
Welcome back. So far, we've covered 10 uses of go. For a walk, shopping, on vacation, to bed, bad, wrong, ahead, through, over, and off. Ready for the final stretch, Jolly?
Ready, although I'm still thinking about that alarm clock example.
We noticed. Number 11, go by.
Go by? What does that mean?
It means time passes, often quickly or unnoticed.
Oh, like this year's really gone by fast.
Exactly. This year has really gone by fast.
This year has really gone by fast. Honestly, it really has.
Time does that when you're busy. Number 12, go with.
Go with? What does that mean?
It has a couple of meanings, but a common one is to choose or match something.
Oh, like I'll go with the blue shirt today.
Exactly. I'll go with the blue shirt today.
I'll go with the blue shirt today. Simple, useful, very fashion-forward.
Very fashion-forward indeed. 12 down, 1 left.
1 left already? That went by fast too.
Look at you, using the phrase we just learned.
I'm a natural.
Our last one is a really important one for everyday conversation, so let's save it for the top of the next part, along with our full recap.
Ooh, saving the best for last. I respect that.
It really is one of the most common ones on this whole list.
Now I'm even more curious.
You'll see, and don't worry, we'll bring back all 12 we've already covered too, so everything stays fresh in your memory.
Perfect, because between the rice and the alarm clock, my brain is doing a lot of multitasking today.
You're doing better than you think.
I appreciate the encouragement, truly.
Let's take one more short pause here, everyone, and come right back for the finale.
See you in a second.
Welcome back for our final part. One last new use of go, and then we'll bring everything together.
I'm ready. Let's finish strong.
Our 13th use is go for it.
Go for it. What does that mean?
It means to fully commit to trying something, usually with encouragement or excitement.
Oh, like when a friend says, just go for it before you try something new.
Exactly. Just go for it.
Just go for it. That's such a motivating little phrase.
It really is. You'll hear it constantly when people are encouraging each other.
13 down, we actually finished all of them.
We really did. 13 different uses of one small word all learned together today.
Honestly, go feels like such a bigger word now than it did an hour ago.
That's exactly the goal. Let's do a quick recap together, everyone, so it all stays fresh.
Recap time. Hit me with the list.
We started with go for a walk and go shopping.
I go for a walk every evening, and she goes shopping on weekends.
Then go on vacation and go to bed.
We're going on vacation next month and I go to bed around 11.
After that, go bad and go wrong.
The milk in my fridge went bad and everything went wrong on my first day at work.
Then go ahead and go through.
You can go ahead and start without me, and she went through a really tough year.
After that, go over and go off.
Let's go over the notes before the exam, and my alarm went off at 6 this morning.
Then go by and go with.
This year has really gone by fast, and I'll go with the blue shirt today.
And finally, our 13th one, go for it.
Just go for it. 13 uses, and somehow I remember every single one.
That's what happens when we learn together, one clear example at a time. All right, that brings us to the end of today's episode. Thank you all so much for learning with us today.
Seriously, thank you for sticking with us through the rice incident and everything else.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who's learning English too.
It really does help us keep making these for you.
And before you go, here's a question for you to answer in the comments. In English, please. Which of these 13 uses of go do you think you'll use the most this week?
Write your answer below. It's great writing practice, and we genuinely read every comment.
Thanks again for joining us on SPEAKORA English Flow.
And remember, whatever you're working on in English, just go for it.
Beautiful closing line, Jolly.
I try.
Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Keep going, keep growing.